guys, welcome back to Measure and Mix. Today I wanted to show you how I made this bunny wreath from Dollar Tree items that I found, and I think it turned out really cute, and I only made it for $8. So see how I did it. Okay, here's what I need to make the bunny wreath. I have 2 small wreaths from Dollar Tree, and then I have 1 large wreath. I have some burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and then I have just a bunch of flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree, just different kinds. You can use whatever you like. And then I also have my hot glue gun, extra glue sticks, floral wire, and wire cutters right here. So let's get started. Okay, first off, I'm going to assemble the body and the head of the bunny, and all I'm going to do for that is use my floral wire and wrap it around the middle here and then cut it when I'm done. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, now I'm gonna try to make the ears out of this extra little wreath I got. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do this. I'm just kinda gonna take it apart and then try to piece it back together to make it look like bunny ears. So let's see if it works. Okay, out of that wreath, I got 2 twigs that were bent that kind of looked like the shape of bunny ears. So I went ahead and I'm going to use those to attach to the wreath to make the bunny ears. And how I'm going to attach them is I'm just going to use a little dab of hot glue on the wreath. And then I'm going to take the bottoms of the twigs that are broken apart and then just kind of shove them into the wreath and hold them in place until it dries for a second. And then I'm going to do that on the other side. Okay, next I'm going to use this bunch of baby's breath here to start out with. And then I'm just going to pull the flowers off here from the stem. Like that. And then I'm going to take this little round thing off here with my wire cutters and just come in here and snip it off. And then I'm just going to start placing the baby's breath all around the wreath. And I'm not doing this in any particular order here. I'm just kind of doing it to how I like it. So I'm gonna attempt to tie a bow for the bunny and to put like around his neck to cover that wire up. So I'm not the greatest at making bows, but I'm gonna make it work. Okay, so I'm gonna take the last bunch of baby's breath and I'm going to line the ears with it, and I'm just going to use my hot glue. I'm gonna snip the top off here, so I just have the flower head right here, and then just gonna place a little dollop of glue on the ear and go around the whole ear just like that. I hope I inspired you to make your own DIY Easter spring bunny wreath from the Dollar Tree. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, please subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!